Thank you po kasi po, naging ate po kita sa Movers. Marami po akong natutunan. Marami po akong natutunan mga advice mo po.
As an only child, thank you for being like an older sister to me. Thank you for making me feel that I'm not alone. I'm super grateful to have you in my life. I love you so much and I'm proud of you. I got your back always. Just like that motto of the PYM, continue serving God by serving others. God bless you and your top PYM Movers Fam loves you very much. Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday, Ate Kel. Thank you po sa pagiging ate mo sa aming Movers. Always be happy and continue serving God. And more blessings to come po sa inyo ng family mo. I'm so grateful dahil naging isa ka po sa mga friends namin sa parish. I'm so very happy to have you, Ate Kel. And always keep your smile on your face. Take care always. Lagi mo pong tandaan na andito lang kami. Lagi sa tabi mo kapag may problema ka. More birthdays to come, Ate Kel. Happy birthday.
You're officially an adult now. May your day be filled with laughter, love, and all your favorites. Enjoy every moment you deserve it. And continue mo lang mag-deserve kay God. And saan ka lang palagi kung may problema ka. At palagi mo tandaan na proud kami sa iyo. Thank you po for being an ate to me. I'm very thankful you came to my life. Simula nang dumating ka po sa Movers, mas lalo pong sumaya at tumibay ang pagsasama ng lahat. Always remember that Movers is always here for you no matter what. Just continue serving God. Once again, happy 18th birthday, Ate Kel. Good luck on your journey. I love you so much.